Founded in 1986 in North Italy, C.I.A. has quickly established itself in the design and production of packing machines.
Hello everyone, nice to meeting you. We are C.I.A. packing machine. So we are based in north of Italy near Venice. At the beginning we start with pasta making machines and pasta plant, and then after a few years we start with the packaging machineries. Packaging machineries could be very simple, like the semi-automatic machines, and up to the multi-wager or full automatic packing machines. We pack almost any kind of food and no food materials, so we are ready to meet every request from our customers.
In the last years, you grew up increasing the number of customers worldwide. What's the secret of this success?
So the secret of that is the passion in our work and the passion to discover new countries and new people and new requests. So from the beginning, we already started with export, and we reached some point of exportation, approximately up to 90%. And the secret was our passion in our work.
In which sectors could be employed by your machines?
We used to pack many kinds of foods, like for example pasta, rice, coffee, cereals, dried fruit and biscuits and something like that, and no food too. It means like plastic, metallic particulars, many different things. So we are very used to accept many different requests from the customer and try to find the solution and the best solution for each request. We use a lot the personalization, so every machine basically is personalized upon the request of each customer.
So you could customize your machines according to the product to be packed and to consumers' needs, right?
Yes, the personalization is very important because there are many kinds of products that can be sticky, not flowing, big, fragile. So we need to pay attention to each single request. The second important thing is the after-sale service, and is also the assistance by phone, by video call or whatever, by tele-assistance, and the spare parts shipment that has to be immediate, that has to be very fast in order to help the people and the customer to start work again very fast if there is something wrong.
We thank Mrs. Antonella for this short interview.
Nice to meet you. Thank you very much for your attention.